and the actions of his power that is at work within us is able to carry out his purpose and do super abundantly, far over and above all that we dare ask or think, beyond and highest of our prayers and desire, thoughts, hopes, or dreams. May the Lord bless you. We are going to pray this prayer. Destiny culture, commit my destiny today. If you like yourself, you pray this prayer. I'm going to give you their 5. I want you to remember again. Something must happen to you. And it is good things in the name of Jesus. Destiny vulture. Oh, you vomit my destiny. You cannot eat my destiny. Vomit what you have done.